Ever wondered how cutting-edge science is transforming the way we grow our food? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Korean scientists and their innovative methods for cultivating fresh vegetables. Get ready to explore the science behind sustainable farming and the techniques that are revolutionizing agriculture. Farming has evolved into a sophisticated science that integrates biology, chemistry, environmental science, and cutting-edge technology to address the challenges of modern agriculture. From understanding plant genetics to soil microbiology, the process of farming today involves meticulous planning and innovation. Farming science focuses on improving crop yield, minimizing environmental impact, and ensuring the long-term sustainability of food production. This shift is especially crucial as the global population grows and climate change disrupts traditional farming practices. Korean scientists have pioneered several high-tech farming methods, including vertical farming, hydroponics, and other controlled environment agriculture (CEA) systems that offer sustainable ways to produce fresh vegetables year-round. This scientific approach addresses challenges like land scarcity, water shortages, and unpredictable climate conditions. In these systems, farming is not bound by the seasons or local environmental constraints. By harnessing technology, Korean scientists are transforming farming into an efficient, high-yield process that could be crucial for global food security. In-depth look at the process of growing fresh vegetables by Korean scientists. Korean scientists are addressing the unique agricultural challenges of their country, such as limited arable land, through innovative scientific farming techniques. These modern approaches emphasize efficiency, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. Let's dive deeper into some of these key processes. Vertical farming. Vertical farming is a revolutionary method of growing vegetables in stacked layers, often integrated into urban environments. Korean scientists are leading in the development of these indoor vertical farms, which use artificial lighting, advanced climate controls, and automated systems to simulate ideal growing conditions for vegetables. This method allows for year-round production, maximizing the use of space, an essential advantage in a country with limited farmland. Controlled environment. In vertical farms, every element of plant growth is meticulously controlled, from light and temperature to humidity and CO2 levels. These factors are adjusted for optimal plant growth, creating a microclimate that allows plants to grow faster and healthier than in traditional outdoor settings. LED lighting. Light is a critical component in vertical farming, and Korean scientists utilize specialized LED lights that mimic the sun's spectrum. These LEDs can be programmed to vary the light intensity and wavelength depending on the growth stage of the plant, enhancing photosynthesis and crop quality. By replacing natural sunlight with LED lights, vertical farms are not dependent on weather conditions and can operate 24/7. Efficiency. One of the major advantages of vertical farming is its ability to use significantly less water than traditional farming. The closed system recycles water, reducing the overall usage by up to 90%. Additionally, vertical farms reduce the need for pesticides as the controlled environment minimizes exposure to pests and diseases. Automation and AI integration. Vertical farming relies heavily on automation and AI. Sensors monitor temperature, light, humidity, and nutrient levels in real time, feeding this data into a central system that adjusts conditions automatically to optimize plant growth. AI systems analyze this data to predict problems, such as nutrient deficiencies or disease, before they impact the crop. Hydroponics and aeroponics. Hydroponics and aeroponics are key soilless farming techniques that Korean scientists have developed to grow vegetables efficiently and sustainably. Hydroponics. This method involves growing plants in a water-based solution enriched with essential nutrients instead of soil. Plants are placed in a nutrient-rich solution, allowing them to absorb everything they need directly from the water. The advantage of hydroponics is the efficient use of water, up to 90% less than traditional farming, because the water is constantly recirculated. Hydroponic systems allow for faster plant growth and higher yields in a smaller space, making them ideal for growing leafy greens and herbs. Aeroponics. In aeroponic systems, plants are suspended in air, and their roots are regularly misted with a nutrient-rich solution. This method further reduces water usage and eliminates the need for soil entirely. The roots have greater exposure to oxygen, which boosts plant growth and leads to higher yields. Aeroponics is especially effective for growing vegetables like lettuce, tomatoes, and herbs in compact spaces. Both hydroponics and aeroponics enable year-round vegetable production in controlled environments, independent of external factors like soil quality or weather. In urban centers like Seoul, where space is limited, these methods offer a way to grow fresh produce locally, reducing the carbon footprint associated with transporting vegetables from rural areas. Smart greenhouses. Korean scientists have also pioneered the development of smart greenhouses, combining traditional greenhouse methods with modern technology. These greenhouses are equipped with automated systems that monitor and regulate environmental factors to ensure optimal growing conditions. Climate control. Smart greenhouses use sensors to monitor temperature, humidity, CO2 levels, and light intensity, adjusting them to create the best possible environment for vegetable growth. This reduces the reliance on external weather conditions and allows for year-round farming, even in harsh climates. Water management. Water conservation is a crucial component of these greenhouses. Drip irrigation systems and water recycling technologies ensure that water is used efficiently. Smart irrigation systems driven by real-time data release water only when necessary, preventing overwatering and reducing waste. Renewable energy integration. To reduce energy consumption, many of these smart greenhouses are integrated with renewable energy sources, such as solar panels or wind turbines. This reduces operational costs and environmental impact, making the farming process more sustainable. Artificial intelligence and data analytics. Korean scientists are leveraging the power of AI and data analytics to revolutionize vegetable farming. These technologies allow farmers to predict crop yields, identify potential problems, and improve overall efficiency. Predictive analytics. By collecting and analyzing data from sensors, AI systems can predict future crop needs, such as water, nutrients, and even light adjustments. This helps farmers optimize resource use, ensuring that plants get exactly what they need at every stage of their growth. Disease detection. AI-powered imaging systems can detect early signs of disease or nutrient deficiencies in plants, allowing farmers to intervene before the problem spreads. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and ensures healthier crops. Yield optimization. AI also helps maximize yields by identifying the best growth patterns, environmental conditions, and harvest times. This precision agriculture approach allows for more efficient farming with minimal waste, ensuring that each crop reaches its full potential, sustainability, and environmental impact. The farming innovations developed by Korean scientists are not just about increasing yield, they also focus on sustainability and reducing the environmental impact of food production. Reduced water usage. With soilless systems like hydroponics and aeroponics, and the use of smart irrigation technologies, these methods drastically cut down on water usage, which is critical in regions facing water shortages. Less land required. Vertical farming, in particular, addresses the issue of land scarcity by maximizing space. Even in dense urban environments, multi-story farms can produce enough fresh vegetables to feed local populations, reducing the need to transport food over long distances. Lower carbon footprint. By growing vegetables in controlled environments, these methods reduce the reliance on traditional farming practices that often involve heavy machinery, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides, which contribute to greenhouse gas emissions. Korean scientists are also advancing urban farming initiatives, particularly in densely populated cities like Seoul, where space is at a premium. Urban farming integrates advanced technologies within the fabric of city life, turning rooftops, abandoned warehouses, and even underground spaces into thriving vegetable farms. These farms use a combination of vertical farming techniques, hydroponics, and artificial lighting to grow fresh produce right where the demand is highest. This proximity to consumers reduces the environmental impact of transportation, known as food miles, and ensures that vegetables are harvested at peak freshness, contributing to better nutrition and sustainability in urban areas. Additionally, Korean researchers are actively working on genetic improvements and plant breeding to develop more resilient, nutrient-dense, and fast-growing vegetable varieties. By understanding plant genomes and the traits that contribute to better yield, disease resistance, and environmental tolerance, scientists can engineer or selectively breed crops that thrive in controlled environments like vertical farms or greenhouses. These genetically enhanced crops are better suited to the precision environments of modern farms, where space, light, and water are all managed carefully. This approach ensures that the highest quality vegetables are produced with minimal resources, further advancing the goal of sustainable farming. Thanks for joining us on this insightful journey into the process of growing fresh vegetables with the help of Korean scientists. If you found this exploration as enlightening as we did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories on scientific advancements. Drop your thoughts in the comments. What did you find most fascinating about these farming techniques? Until next time, stay curious and keep discovering the wonders of science.